Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 132 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. In honor of Mental Health Awareness Month, today's practice is a quiet moment of reflection, an invitation to check in with yourself. Let's begin by allowing your breath to settle. No need to change anything. Just notice the inhale and the exhale. Now, gently ask yourself, what's one thing I'm grateful for today? It might be something small, like a moment, a person, or a breath. Let that answer surface. Next, ask yourself, what's one thing I'm feeling right now? Don't fix or judge this feeling. Just name it and give it space. And finally, ask yourself, what's one thing I need? Maybe it's rest, connection, clarity, or simply another breath. Let yourself hold these answers with care. Nothing more is required of you in this moment. Now, gently inhale and slowly exhale. When you're ready, gently return to the present and continue to carry this peaceful reflection throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another brief moment of presence and care.